So here I am inside a Google form, and all I've done so far is add the title, mass and weight, and the first question, what is the difference between mass and weight? And in this very short screencast, I just want to show you how to limit the amount of text a user can add to a particular question within a form. Because I've had a lot of people tell me that people write either too much or too little in a form question. So here's how to do it. When you add a question, it usually defaults to multiple choice, as you can see here. And the options we are going to choose are under these three little dots. But if I choose multiple choice, the option I want isn't available. So I just want to show you that. So first of all, I've got to make sure that I've either chosen a short answer or a paragraph question. So I choose paragraph because that suggests a slightly longer answer. And then this time, if I go back to the three dots, I can choose data validation from the list. And I'm going to leave length as it is there. And I have two choices here. I have minimum character count and maximum character count. The minimum one is really useful if you want to encourage people to add slightly longer answers, so you can tell them that they've got to write at least 200, 250 characters. But on this occasion, I'm going to choose maximum, because what I want to do is prevent them from writing answers that are too long. So I've chosen maximum character count. Then I have to choose how many characters I want them to have as the maximum. So I'll just choose 500 for the moment. And then it's useful to add a little message in here, because if they're going over the 500, the form won't submit. So it's useful to tell them why. So if I just add a short message in here to say you have exceeded the 500 character limit. And then that's it for that question. So I haven't got to do anything else. I can continue adding extra questions, and I can do the same for each question, or I can add a maximum character or minimum character to different questions. But that's how you prevent people writing too much or too little in your Google form questions. I do hope you found it useful.